side of the mountain.
Over there?
Yeah, the Rose Hills is that?
Yeah.
Fucking, there's smoke and flashes of light.
Oh, dang.
It's on the other side of the. We're getting the echo over here.
Yeah. I know. I hear it like from behind my house right there, too.
Over there.
I wonder what it could be.
You have to go like in this direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just fireworks.
You think someone won a game?
Probably.
Could have been a game on today. But usually it comes from the high school side, not this side.
Yeah.
Recording.
Just to wonder what it says.
Yeah, it's coming down that way. Right over there.
I could hear the echo coming all the way from right there, whatever this noise
I
is.
think we're having a war.
World War III. Probably.